What's up, people? Elvis here from ElvisUptownBlogspot.com. Live day trading videos. Today is August 2nd, 2011. As always, to get the same watch list I use in my videos, just hit up the blog in the morning. It's posted up between 8:20 and 8:40 a.m. To keep up to date, use the subscribe buttons here. And just hope you guys noticed that I did clean up the blog a little bit. Leave a comment about it if you wish. If you guys have any questions about day trading or my trading practices in general, just click the contact button here, fill out the form, and I will be getting back to you shortly. Anyway, market is gapping down. The debt deal has been signed and voted in. I don't know if it's been signed, but it has been voted in. So lately it's been a decent trading environment. There's definitely been trades for everybody if you sit there and just wait for your stuff to set up. There's definitely something there. Today we don't have any economic data coming out. Everything is basically already came out. 8:30, 8:55. That red book. It doesn't have a star next to it, but it's kind of key. But still should be an interesting trading session. There still might be opportunity and volatility in the markets to give us some trades. So anyway, I'll be back when the market opens up, which will be in about 20 minutes, and I'll get some trades on video for you guys. Alright, market's open. And basically gonna sit, let some things develop. If I see something that I love, I'm gonna give it a shot. So I'll be back with some stuff, guys. Alright, this is the first trade here, giving this a shot. That's my stop. So risking about 6 cents. It's not off the buy signal, it's a proprietary setup here. It's holding this 88 level. Pretty much as long as it holds that level, we don't get a 3-minute close below that, it's still safe. But I have to protect, so I did put the stop loss out there. So I'll update. I didn't quite hold that 88 level. It was a 3-minute close, so I'm just trying to close this out with a flat, and there we go. So no harm done in that idea, and I'll be back with something else. Alright, found a nice little buy signal here. The ticker is basically all green, and the market's actually getting a nice move higher. So let's see if we get a fill here, trying to get 39. There's going to be a small amount of risk. The stop's going to be 31. Well, wasn't able to get a fill. Was thinking about taking the 41s, would have been up 10 cents. But I wanted that perfect entry on this one. Didn't get it, so see what else is out there. I don't think I'm taking these reversal signals yet. The tickers are still so strong on the green side. I'm gonna give one of them a shot here. Short of this UNH, short from 27, but gonna stay pretty small. This ticker's starting to get mixed a bit. We're getting a sell signal. It should print on the SPYs. As long as that ticker is staying green, I'm just being pretty cautious. You have to stay cautious, but could get a nice little move on this one. The market just came in just a little bit. So anyway, I'll update here. We did get the signal printed on the SPY. I'm getting a negative tick reading right now. Ticker alert is still mostly green. So that means stay a little bit more bullish. But since we got that sell signal on the SPY, it's following through. So let me show you guys here. That's what I see there. On this one, I'm going to get flat if it comes back to 27. Anyway, I'll update this here. And now we're starting to get more red on that ticker alert. So it's going to help out my trade here. And the market bounced right back up. So you gotta be careful, you know, on the short side, especially looking at that ticker. There's so many stocks are just making new highs. Now I'm gonna stick with this one. I haven't hit a 15-cent profit potential yet, so just gonna let this one ride through. And I might just take that break-even stop, which is at 27. But the max profit potential is there. I think I could see down here. What do we got? 11. Basically got there already. 13 print. We'll see if it breaks at 11. We'll get to the whole number. Now I got my 15 cents, and I'll take the 10 cents as it comes. I'm just gonna close it right there. So I made what, 12 cents. It's not bad. So on to the next now. Look at this Cree explosion. Some wide range bars right there. So looking around right now, just staying patient. I'll definitely find something. Alright, I like this X right here. It is a short signal, and my ticker alert it's pretty green. So I'm just waiting for that to change. Also wait for the tick to go below the zero plot, and then look to take a short on this. Not that it can't work without all those without the tick being below the zero plot and the ticker alert being all red, but I want that higher probability trade, so I'm going to be patient and wait for that. I probably won't get a good entry on this anyway. So that signal printed, an entry could be 64. So just waiting. Tick's still positive. And it just went negative, so I'm gonna just put the order out there and see. Ticker alert also is mostly red right now. Stock's making new lows. No, I'm probably not going to get an entry here. I'll leave the order out there. It's possible to still get hit on it. Alright, things have kind of lined up on this MDT. So I got short off the sell signal here, and not huge. But if it gets up to my price, 57, that's where I'll take a 1,000 share position. Things have lined up pretty well in this. Anyway, I'll update. What I just added here, decided to get a little bit more aggressive on it. So if it comes up to 57, I'll I'll take the 2,000 share position. Check out X, worked out pretty nice. I just wasn't able to get any shares. I think my price was 62 or something like that. 64. Gave us a 62 entry right here. The one I was watching was Rim, but I don't think I'm gonna be trading this one. Alright, here we go. Starting to get some acceleration on this ticker alert here. Negative tick reading. Everything's lined up basically. So now I'm just waiting for profit potential to hit here. So I'll be updating you guys. And it's looking nice right here for a buy setup. I just have to wait for everything else to line up. I'll be looking to take this one long. And this is one I traded actually. It's just I got out of it too early. Made a nice move, even went through the whole number. It's like it's a pretty ridiculous amount of profit potential here that I left on the table. I was looking for 30 cents. It gave another 40 cents. It was like a 70-cent profit potential. Alright, we basically got our 10 cents here, so this is going to be a free trade. Forget about those other shares. So I'll take a 51 stop on this. Starting to get a buy signal right now on the SPYs. Ticker's starting to get a little bit more green. Our tick is in positive territory right now. Well, you know what? I'm gonna actually just take this one off. So I booked about $100 on that. Probably could get more, but I'm just gonna take a trade. As you know, I haven't really done anything in about an hour and a half. I'll wait for this UNH to set up here and most likely trade this if the market lines up. Oh well, should have stayed in this one. It kind of shipped me out the ticker alert. And it would have probably hit my target here. So, well, here we would have been up 15 cents, so it's a definite 10-cent profit in this. The target was 31. The low of the day is actually 32, so probably would have taken it off there. Alright, you know what? I'm going to take this trade. The risk is so small. Actually, give it a little bit more below that low. So I'm long from 60. Gonna risk 6 cents. Things aren't really lining up. That's why I'm staying pretty small here. And if I see the ticker alert change or get that buy signal printed on the SPYs, I'll get more, but oh well, stopped out. That's why I stay small. Anyway, on to the next. Alright, we're starting. Looks like the SPYs are gonna print a buy signal, so I already got long the CI. Long from the whole number. I think we're gonna get a little bounce here. This definitely printed now. So I got full tier size on this. My stop's gonna be 93. So I'll update you guys. I got a pretty good entry, 47.01. It's not bad. So I'll update you guys. And if this one doesn't work, there's others that I probably missed that are working. I think Teva got the buy. This happened a little while back. There's some others out there. I've been looking around. Like this ITW. You can't be in everything. You gotta choose one and just go with that. This one's nice, TOT. Yeah, market's still weak. I think we're gonna bounce. So there she goes. That's what we've been waiting for here. I'm about to unload a bulk of my position at 16 cents. That's the low of this candle right here. So I'm thinking that's going to act as a resistance area. Can't really get greedy, and the bounces don't really seem like they're working too well, but there's definitely money on the table right now. I do have 15 cents. So I might get taken out right here. We'll see. Market's pushing up a little bit now, so I should get a fill. Ticker is all green. SPY's just hit a little resistance area, a little moving average here. Anyway, I'll update you guys. Most likely it looks like I'm going to get filled, and I'll let that 400 shares ride and see if this bounce is really true. See if the SPYs will bounce up to this 20 period moving average on the 5-minute. On the 3-minute we hit a short-term resistance area. It looks like I'm going to get a fill right here. And there we go. So I got 400 shares left. My next target is 24. Let's see if I could get shares off there. This is definitely a free trade now. Definite profits here. Could actually get up to this 31, but I'm not going to get greedy. Don't know what happened there. SPY still have some ways to go up to this moving average, but probably gonna just close this one out. Yeah, let me get out of there. So a nice trade. It's the one I've been waiting for, really. So something like this, and we took it ticker back to being red, so we got out of there. It's a little pain in the trade, not much though, but it all worked out well. Anyway, on to the next. Still got some time. Scrolling through right now, looking at the others that I probably would have traded. MDT is a buy signal here. I think the Amgen as well. No, not that one. It's a AET. Yeah, this one didn't really do anything. Anyway, I'll be back with another trade, guys. You see, back down to that whole number. I would have been pissed off if I wouldn't have taken profits. And there was the definite. We were getting like 21 prints, so there's a definite 20-cent profit potential on a low risk trade, about 6 cents or something. Yeah, check this one out. This one worked out nice. It's TOT. Yeah, you buy signal, pull back it even pull back more than halfway of the range that's given here. So just say 99 entry, got up to 13. Definite little scalp trade there. The CI was better, it seems. Got me 20 cents. This was only uh, about 13, almost 20 cents, but not really. Alright, just got a short sell gene here. Sell signal. We got a point of reference up here at about 68. So let's see if this works here. Some nice acceleration on the ticker. That's what I was just looking for. Short. I found this. That might stop us out. There's nothing guaranteed. Market's also making new lows. There's a pre-market low is 127.07. So we're quite a ways away from that. And the ticker's pretty much accelerating. So should get a nice trade here. Anyway, I'll update you guys. We got an opposing buy signal printed, so I got out of the trade. Got a fill at 55. It's actually made some money on that, but had to follow the rules. It was looking a little bit strong for a little while, but so I had to get out. Anyway, on to the next. Still got like another half an hour. I'll sit here and wait for something to set up. It's been a nice trading day, and I mean, I'm not up a lot P&L wise. I haven't really traded a lot of shares either, but as far as opportunity with the SPYs, it's definitely been there. It gave us a long trade in the morning. It was here. Gave us a short. Gave us that little bounce that we just took recently, and then it gave us another short here. So seems like there's two-way action. You can't really ask for more as an intraday trader. I personally, I don't like seeing just something going up in one direction. I mean, it would be nice to, if we're just in a bull market, everyone knows we're in a bull market, like just buy Enron kind of thing, intraday trade Enron, and just buy it on a dip. And I don't even know how that stuff works, but yeah, me personally, I like the two-sided action. I don't really like seeing something just go directly up or directly down. I like playing the both sides of the trade, really. Anyway, I'll look around for something else. Like I said, I'll probably sit here for another 30 minutes. I've been looking through all the stocks, really, and I don't really feel like sitting here and waiting for another setup. It's going to take a little while. So hope you guys enjoyed the video as always, and I know I didn't really have a lot of profit on this day. I think even in the last video, but if you guys are looking at intraday trading, that every idea you have has to be like some sort of home run hit, I mean, you're not really gonna last. As far as you're just really not going to last. That's probably the most simple way I could say it. So I mean, hitting a single, having a couple of singles each day instead of having each one of your ideas being home runs, it probably makes more sense, because you can't always be right. This is something I say pretty often. You can't always be right, and basically the point I'm trying to make here is you can't always have an idea and just think it's gonna it's gonna give you a point each time, or 50 cents. You know, sometimes you're gonna have days like this, like what I had. I had one good trade that had a profit potential of 20 cents, and I liked that trade a lot. I loaded up on it, and that was my home run. Basically, all the other ideas I had, they were, you know, I gave them a try with small tier sizes, and this was probably the best one. The CI bounce. That was the best one for me. But like I'm saying, you can't look at stuff. You can't look at your ideas like they're always gonna that that they're always gonna work. That they're always gonna net you 50 cents or a point or something like that. I mean, take a trade. Take 10 cents. Take 10 cents. Take 5 cents. You know, just do that 50, not 50 times, but do it 10 times a day. You know, 5 cents on each trade, and you got yourself $500 right there. So anyway, you know, enough babble about that, but this was probably one of my lower net profit videos. I didn't even trade that many shares, 11,600. It's not a lot. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, just click the contact button here, fill out the form, and also if you guys like what you see in my videos, just, you know, you could donate. Click the donate button. I accept small donations. I actually haven't got a donation in a while. So the watch list, as you guys know, is posted up between 8:20 8:40 a.m. and I will see you guys on the next video. Like I said too, if you guys have any questions, just fill out the form. I'll get back to you. If you have any questions about my trading system, which I'll emphasize is still half price. And also give me some feedback on the blog. I put a couple hours into cleaning it up to get it the way it looks right now. So if you have any suggestions or just any comments in general, I'd like to hear them. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have yourself a blessed day.